forget to subscribe to Brianna's World and click the notification bell. Hey guys! Welcome back to Brianna's World. Today, Daddy made a cardboard box marble run. Yes. Super cool. So before we start racing and stuff, I'm gonna give you a tour. Maybe Skylar will too. So let's start the tour. So first, how it's gonna go is we have the starting line over there, and it goes and round and round and inside this hole, which I think is really cool. Goes there, goes down the rainbow path, goes down that thing.
Over the bridge, or under the bridge, depending on which path it goes. And down the salmon slide.
Goes to the finish line.
First place.
Okay guys, so let's start racing. I'm gonna be blue, and I'm gonna be white.
He's gonna be the white. It's got some colors in it. All right, blue versus white. Skylar's gonna put them in.
The thing up.
Yeah, put them in the starting grid. That way it's fair,
But
right?
sometimes it goes this way, and sometimes you have to put your finger there.
All right.
1, 2, 3. Blue's gonna run, I think.
Oh, white pass blue. Oh, neck and neck. There's some different paths. Oh no. Both going through the underpass. Oh my gosh, it's so close. Oh, white pass blue, and white is the winner.
No!
Yeah, Skylar won. Yeah. All right, guys, so that was such a fast, exciting race. I think we need to do it again, rematch. So, Bree, you still blue this time, right?
Yes.
And Skylar's white. Okay, let's do it again and see who can pull it off. You ready, Skylar? Okay. 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh.
Blue is not in the lead. I think Blue got stuck somewhere.
Blue is officially stuck.
Blue is out of the race.
No! Blue got stuck under
And white wins. Okay, so we found Blue. It was stuck under the ramp. I don't know how it got there, but somehow it got stuck. So we're gonna say this guy gets second place. Okay, Skylar totally won that challenge both times. So I think it's time to do the grand finale, which is sending all 20 shooter marbles down at the same time. This is gonna be epic.
Epic.
Okay, so we're putting them all up there. Oh my gosh, look at all of those marbles.
Okay, ready?
They barely fit up there. This is gonna be incredible. All right, we're ready, Bree.
Let go, Skylar.
3, 2, 1, go.
Oh my gosh.
The first ones are going down.
Greenish guyish takes the lead.
Oh, look, he is first.
White second, blue third. Man, there's a lot of white winning. And
Uh-oh, we got a traffic jam up on the bridge. Set him down, Bree, set him down.
oh, a couple
They took a shortcut.
Skylar, look at those people.
They're stuck again, these slowpokes.
I
think some of these might be chipped.
Yeah.
That's why they're not rolling real good.
Hello.
Ruins. They're going down again. Okay, guys, that was awesome.
Awesome.
Hey, guys, if you like this video, if you like our cardboard videos, marble runs, whatever, give this video a like. Let us know because we would love to make more of these awesome videos for you. That's all for Brianna's World.